Hey movers and shakers, welcome to this mini class. Over the next few sessions, I'm going to teach you how to use Google My Business more effectively. So in our first lesson, let's get into actually setting up a Google My Business profile. So let me get started here. I'm going to go into a different email account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to Google My Business. Good. And basically, we're going to go over here, and we're going to go over here where it says Google My Business Profile. And we're going to go down to Create an Account. Good. It's going to come up with this page, and we're going to type in our business page. So in this case, I'm just going to make something up. All right. Then we're going to continue on. We're going to put in our category. Yes, we want to add a location. And then we're going to give ourselves our address. So in this case, I'm going to add in this one right here. Make sure you put in your state. And you're going to verify the address. Now it says this business profile has already been claimed. And we're going to ask for access. And in this case, I'm just going to add in a phone number. You can always change it in there, but we're going to just do it. So now basically it's sent in a request. And there you go. Now you're in. All right. And then tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to actually verify our business. And then we're going to go into doing more into the profiles and how to set up your profile so that you actually have good SEO with your Google My Business. So over this next 5 days, we're actually going to go and set this Google My Business up. And we're also going to explore how we're going to actually propel it so it's actually more powerful than your competitors. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Okay, see you then.